Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me edit this. Market's about to open. I got a few things going on here. Q, E, S. Alright, this can be minimized. See if NQ can go over this 20 level. I'm like, where's my... There's 19. It's probably going to be a big moving day today with... And I need to get my swing levels. You know what we need to do? Oh, my internet is so laggy. Oh, I hate this. Was it like 20 to 40? Like $400, but because it was so delayed. This is an old LAS here at 24. And then we have the current one at 26. Oh, this is super laggy. All right, hold on. I just have to cut that out for 1 second. My TD Ameritrade is being super laggy. I don't know if it's my internet or if it's just TD Ameritrade at the open. It's probably the latter. All right, so this is the NQ 5-minute conservative. It already took profit earlier. Super laggy. Well, there goes the TP anyway. Oh, I might need to restart TD Ameritrade because this is acting like a wild person. I might want to use my phone instead. All right, so I have this up. There's not a lot running today because it's Wednesday. ES and R2I don't do well on Wednesdays. I don't even have my swing levels up here. Oh, it reprints. I don't like that. Oh. Let me tell her. Yeah, it seems a little indecisive of what's going to happen today. Obviously, the end of the day is Tesla earnings and NASDAQ earnings. I mean, sorry, NASDAQ. Oh, good idea. Tesla and... I'm assuming she's out. Awesome. Tesla and Whoa, look at this. Tesla and Netflix. I don't know why I can't get my words together today. Also, maybe I'll put the video on here. Oh, this should be a 3. Yeah, we're kind of in this choppy zone of NQ from 407 to 420. It really needs to break this 20, and then it needs to break an old LIS of 24, and then our current LIS of 27. So really nothing to do before then. I'm also trying to watch some stocks here. I was also trying to move this over. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. I really keep thinking I have it set up, and then every day.
Order filled.
Do you see how this is just taking?
Order filled.
Oh my gosh, when I tell you this TD Ameritrade app is not it right now, it's definitely not it. I haven't seen it be this laggy in so long. Oh, that's not good. Alright, I'm gonna have to fix this later. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place today. There is, probably because I got up late. Let's be honest. There's not a lot to trade today because I don't know why TD Ameritrade is so glitchy this morning. Because it's Wednesday. Oh, we might actually get a short in NQ here. We have NQ for later, like the day setup, so I'm going to put that up now. I ran the night, there were no trades. I can update that in the spreadsheet.
Order canceled.
If you guys have any questions, let me know. Sorry, I'm not actually even looking at YouTube. Alright. Let me load up NQ day. I'm probably definitely going to put this on my account because it's going to be going into earnings this afternoon. So it's probably going to be a good look. I'm going to update the settings spreadsheet that there were no trades for NQ night. No. NQ 5-minute was profitable, $100. NQ night, no trades. There's no R2I, no ES, and then there's just NQ day. So that is... Alright, so that's set up. I'm trying to see if this MasterCard's going to work out. It hit a really strong level at 358 and bounced. So let's see if we can pull back down. We're down to 358.75 here, so... The market moving up doesn't help, but I don't think it's going to affect it too much. Had a huge drop at the open, so. Let's see if we can move lower.
Order canceled.
And you know what I can do? I can actually disconnect that. Alright, so NQ 5-minute will most likely not take another trade. The only thing that would be next is a short at 92, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen, which I'm fine with. I locked up 150 on the day there. This NQ day doesn't actually start until 10:40. Alright, MasterCard is pulling back a little. That is good. NQ is back up to that LIS of 24, and then you got the other one at 27, 26, 27, so, this is now, like, going the totally opposite direction. Well, no, it's actually just building a bear flag. I'm going to give it a little more time. Oh, there goes NQ. NQ pushed right through 27, and is now up at 35. Let's see if it pulls back here. Get in at that. Market order here. Oh shit, because I'm using that. Fuck. I forgot. Oh, well, I guess that's good because it turned right down. Well, that was kind of a fake out for now. It ran up to 35. It came back. 27 and 24 did not act as support. And now it's turning down and it's back to 18. Interesting, interesting. We'll see what the market wants to do. I'm not sure why this is super laggy today. I might just have to close it out and use like my phone or my iPad. Alright, so I see it's 20 here. Like I could take a manual trade from 20 if I really wanted to.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I try not to manually trade in this account, but sometimes I do just because I have it open all the time now. I guess I'm going to give back my morning profits if it doesn't hold this 17. MasterCard is coming back down. That's good. I actually took like 1 or 2 trades last night. I was testing something new.
Order submitted.
This is a tough area. This 10 to 30, 10 to 25. I'm probably going to get stopped here, I'll say. Could move it here. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so nothing exciting. I'm in a manual trade, but it's not really anything to be sought after. The only thing we have running today is the NQ day, which doesn't even start till 10:40, so like in an hour. Alright, this is probably going to break down. This might actually go lower.
Order filled.
Alright, so I got
Order
stopped at like
canceled.
145, which is essentially what I made on this algo trade, so I'm just going to leave it alone for now. If it wants to take another NQ 5-minute trade, I'll take that. It would go short at 92. I need to pull up my swings. So funny, it's like the same area. Swings 81. Oh, you motherfucker. Look how close that is. See, that's where emotions get in. And you have to say, no, no, no. Oh, speaking of, I need to watch this. Oh, Microsoft was at like 100. Oh, that's good. All right, what was I showing? 81? And 86. Oh, it's pretty tight. Look at that move up. Guess my stop loss shouldn't have been so close. But it's all good. Just kind of fucking around. I'm really focused on this trade with MasterCard, if you can't tell. Which I should have had fixed on my settings today, but I didn't, so then I had to manually take it. Here we go. We're pulling back down. About to be green. If we can get below 358.30. 358.40 is my entry. There we go. So now we're green. And this is still stuck. Like, if you want to box this out, you could do that too. Essentially like that. This thing is super all over the place. So it's at 358.40 and now to like 359. So I might just have to cut it at like break even. I was trying to be more patient on it. Oh, here now we're back down to 60s. Alright, so you can see we're still stuck in this range. I'm going to color it something different because I don't want you to get confused with my swing range. The market is ugly today. But see, this is probably why we don't run ES and RTY on Wednesdays. Because Wednesdays seem to just be a hot, kind of a hot mess of indecision. Did I update? Yeah, I did. The actual, like settings, the results in the settings, and I did. So that's good. Alright, NQ's trying to push again. You know, I could pull up. Oh, look how cool. External. Oh, there's 36. See, let's see if we can break lower here. This is essentially just a bear flag. I'll show you what I mean. So I had this big move down. And then it's like this. I could just... I don't really like this big long one. Like that, and see now it's breaking below. That is good. And then just this big drop. So this is the flat, this is the pole, that's the flag. And obviously the idea is to move lower. So we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna keep this over here. Just so I don't have to keep looking at my phone. NQ still kind of stuck. It's at the 22.23. Oh, no. The MasterCard seems like it's breaking out to the upside. Really, it's, I don't know if it's like that 360. Like every day, like yesterday was what, $3,000? Monday was $6,000. It just depends. Like last Friday was really good. It just depends. Each product is different. So ES and RTY just don't do well on Wednesdays. Look at this push. It finally got out of that 27 area. And so that's why we don't run them. We just have specific days to run specific products. And we stick to our rules. If that makes sense. It's boring. I am probably going to jump off here in a little bit. Like, look at how they started pulling back. People are just waiting for earnings today, like later. Because this is, when NQ can't find a breakout, that's just horrible. Luckily, we're not in anything, so it doesn't matter. All right, well, I'm going to get off of here because I'm probably honestly going to go watch some more episodes of You while I watch the market. Because, again, the algo is not trading again until 10:40. This one ends in 10 minutes, and I don't see it all the way down here at 92. Obviously, if it does, that's fine, but I don't really see that. So, I'm going to cut this live here. It's crazy how the NQ's already coming back in this area. And if you have any questions, as always, you can reach out. I'm always around. Yeah, but that's just based off of the algorithm with the settings that we trade 360. So that doesn't mean that RTY and ES are shit on Wednesdays. It just means on our algorithm, the way that it trades in like the specific hours that it trades, it is not profitable on Wednesday, so we just don't trade it on Wednesday. Yeah, there's been a lot of small caps running lately. But, all right, so I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. All right, bye, guys.